Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 450 and today I will show you some basics on how to make your laptop faster. So if you want to enhance your device's performance, the first step I'd like you to take is to open the Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Right here, let's open the Startup menu. And here you'll be able to see the list of all applications that start up when your device boots up. This is the default list of all applications, which don't slow down your PC at least significantly, and you'd better leave them right here. But if you have some applications like Discord, game launchers and something else that starts up when your PC boots up, if you disable any of them by right-clicking on an application and selecting disable, then you'll increase your device startup speed, as well as you'll increase your device's performance when you use it. So I strongly suggest you doing that. And the next tip I wanted to share with you is using a browser. So make sure that when you're using a browser, you don't leave unused tabs open, because each open tab decreases your RAM memory. Even if the tab is empty, like in this scenario that I'm trying to show you, if we have just a bunch of opened empty tabs, and if we go back to the Task Manager and look at performance, if we check the memory, we'll be able to see that half of our memory is eaten by this empty tabs in our browser. We can also see it in the processes. So as you can see, the browser right now uses over 1.5 gigabytes of memory. Now if we close it, it will significantly reduce the memory usage on our PC. And the last thing is use power modes for your battery to increase your device's performance. So right click on the battery icon right here, open Windows Mobility Center, and right here you'll be able to switch between balanced, a power saver and high performance mode. So the balanced mode is basically the default mode that is set on your PC, and if you want your device to work faster, you'll want to check the high performance mode. But if you want your battery to last longer, then go with the power saver mode. I will leave it with balanced for now. And that's basically all the tips I wanted to share with you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.